How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you the difference between arrays and ArrayList. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to watch more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so the first thing that is different between an array and an ArrayList is that ArrayLists have to be imported. The second thing that is different between an array and an ArrayList is that ArrayList can use wrapper types or wrapper classes of primitive types, but arrays can use reference types and primitive types. The third thing that is different between an array and an ArrayList is that arrays have a finite size, and you can have the amount of elements can be different from how long you want your array to be. But for an ArrayList, it only grows when you add more items to it. For example, let's have system out print array dot length. Then let's have system out array list size, and let's see what Java gets us for our sizes of arrays and ArrayLists. Alright, so for our example, our array has length 10 but has no elements, and our ArrayList has a size of 0 because it hasn't had any elements added to it. The fourth thing that is different between an array and an ArrayList is that ArrayLists use a method called add to add elements to itself. But if you want to add an element to an array, you have to initialize every index in your array. So let's say we want the first element in our array to be set to 10. That's how you add elements to an array. ArrayLists also use the method get to get a certain element from a specified index. Arrays are very similar, but there's a slight difference. Let's say we want to get the first element of an ArrayList. We'll say array list get 0. And let's say we want to get the first index of our array. We'll say system out print array at 0. So that's how you're able to access index in an array and an ArrayList. So those are the differences between an array and an ArrayList. If you have any questions, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.